Hello everyone. So this is going to be my last Halloween tutorial for today. I am doing a cat look. As you can see, I haven't done the nose or whiskers yet because I'm going to show you guys that. But this is what your eye is going to look. It's kind of fun. And here is the finished look in a little drawing face chart. So what we're going to start off with is you, of course, prime your eyelids and use the eyeshadow base from NARS, the smudge proof eyeshadow base. And then what you're going to do is start with the eyeliner. You're going to use the Larger Than Life Longwear eyeliner and just use that under here like that, just in your lash line. And then next you're going to start with the marker. And this can be tough depending on how steady your hand is. I'm gonna draw it out nice and extreme. It's gonna be borderline Amy Winehouse. But it's Halloween. Hey, have some fun. And trust me, you're gonna like how it makes your eye look. And then probably you're gonna start doing, you know, winged out cat eyeliner a little more often, maybe. Depending on how comfortable you are doing it. It does take practice to get it, you know, exactly how you want it to look. So then once you have a nice thick line, you're going to start on this inside area and just kind of bring it down a little bit. And this is where you're really going to look more like a feline. Because if you look at your dog or your cat, if you have one, you know that they have that like kind of little inside area. So it almost looks like it's bringing out to my muzzle. No, not my imaginary muscle. Because obviously I am not a cat. So just work it however you want. Just keep adding until you have it looking exactly how you want it to. You can thicken up the line a little bit. I have it in a little more than I would like, so I'm going to just draw it straight down. And then with a little bit of eye makeup remover, or actually, let's see if we can get it without that. Perfect. So then I'm going to take my concealer brush, touch that up a little bit. You know, everyone makes mistakes. And just fix it. And then take your eyeliner again and darken that line. I'm going to bring this one down a little bit so it matches a little more. I'm going to do little quick strokes so I can really pack on the color and make it very black. Alright, and there we go. So, next you're going to put your Duo Lash Glue on your hand, or the lash glue that comes with the lashes. These ones don't actually come with glue. So, glad I have mine. We're going to get it on the lashes. Let it get tacky for a little bit. So while that gets a little drier, we're going to put on our mascara, which I'm using the Dior Show New Look in black. So just brush it on. Top and bottom lashes. And then I just see a little, so I just went in a little bit on the inside corner with the eyeliner. So just try to make them match as best you can. I mean, no one's perfectly symmetrical. And then you're going to get your lashes on. So these ones are very thick, so sometimes they're a little harder to stick on. So you just want to push them in, at least get one corner stuck on before you move inward. Let me check with my little mirror. So I want to move these in a little more than I had them. So, and there we go. So I want to make sure they're stuck on. I'm looking similar to the other side. So as you can see my hair, I did my best effort at trying to make cat ears. Probably the easiest way to do that is just go buy some cat ears, like little triangular black ears to just stick on. I'm actually going to do this look for a Halloween party I'm going to this weekend. I'm going to be a cat burglar with one of my friends. So I'm going to put a lot of jewels on and it's going to be fun. So not done yet. So we have the eyes done. This is how the eyes look. I'm going to set this little area a little better. So let's do cheeks, which I'm using the Dior Show blush in 733. It's just a nice color to add a little dimension to your cheeks. You don't have to use blush if you don't want to, but I mean, I just like to. It was driven into my head by my mother to always use blush. And it does make a difference when you look at yourself. So let's do the nose now. So I'm going to just use the marker again, the eyeliner Stilo by Incarpates. And just kind of, I'm going to draw a triangle on my nose. And then fill it in. Try to make it as perfect as I can. Let's take a closer look. When you're doing these intense looks, try to get as close to the mirror as possible. It's not that easy looking at a mirror further away and doing it. My triangle has a little flat part here, so it looks a little bit more like a cat nose. And then we're going to draw on the whiskers. So I'm just going to do 3. And they don't have to be, exactly perfect, because when you look at cats or animals, theirs are not perfect. For lips, we're going to use Lancome Le Lipstick in Sun-Dried Berry. So I just colored in on my whole lip. And then there you go. I look like a cat. I'm ready to go party. I hope you guys have enjoyed all of these Halloween looks, and I will include, you know, all the information to get to see the full articles, and they will have pictures of the full outfit. Enjoy and be beautiful, and happy Halloween. Everyone stay safe and have fun.